bechamel, velouté, espagnole, hollandaise, and tomato sauce. Did you know tomato sauce is one of the mother sauce in French cuisine? There are lots of ways to cook tomato sauce, but today I'll show you not only easy way but delicious way to cook tomato sauce. Shall we start? Main ingredient: 1 canned tomato. Did you know there are grades on the canned tomato for the quality of the tomatoes? Mine is Canada Choice, which means it is second good quality. There are 3 grades: Fancy, Choice, Standard, or it goes A, B, C. And I have another canned tomato from Italy. The brand is Martelli. This one is pretty expensive, but the quality of tomatoes are great. It says DOP, that means Protected Designation of Origin. If I was working in the restaurant, I'm definitely gonna use this can of tomato because of food cost. But we're cooking it for you or your friend, family, right? So I'm gonna use this one today. Expensive one. 1 bunch of fresh basil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 cup small diced onion, 2 or 3 dried bay leaves, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, extra virgin olive oil, pack of spaghetti pasta. This one, after making sauce, I'm gonna make tomato spaghetti. Small block of Grana Padano cheese. I can tell you this kind of cheese is one of the natural MSG because this type of cheese is high content of free glutamate. That's the reason why many chefs using this cheese for the pasta. Okay, let's get started. Over medium-high heat, I'm putting some olive oil. And I'm gonna sweat the onions first. Once you sweat your onions, I'm putting tablespoon of garlic. It doesn't need to be minced garlic, it can be the cloves of garlic, anything. The reason why I'm using it is I just had the minced garlic in my fridge. Once you smell garlic, I'm putting tomatoes. You can roughly chop the tomatoes before you put in, or simply you can squeeze the tomatoes with your hand. But today I'm using hand blender for this. That's why I didn't chop or squeeze the tomatoes. And you put bay leaves. Before I bleach it, I'm just gonna take those out, so no worries. And you're gonna simmer it for 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes gone. Now I'm gonna take out the bay leaves as I'm bleaching the sauce. I put 3, so 1, 2, and 1 more. Here, 3. You need a hand blender. If you don't have it, you can pass it. But through my experience, it tastes way better bleaching the sauce. Then I can feel all the flavors at once. Before you bleach it, I'm gonna put some basils. Just roughly tiered, even the stalk. Put them in. And also I'm putting a little bit of olive oil. When you bleach it, try not to bleach it too much. I'm looking for the sauce a little bit chunky texture. Then it goes well with any pasta. Okay, after bleaching, taste your sauce first. Still good, but you gotta season the sauce. I'm putting some kosher salt and black pepper. If you guys like spicy, I put a little bit of a chili flakes. Okay, basic tomato sauce is done. I'm just gonna take some sauce out as I'm cooking the pasta for 2 people. You can always add the sauce later as you need it. I'm gonna put the sauce aside and start cooking pasta. Okay, I've got a boiling water here. I'm gonna put some salt in. This amount is for 1 person and another one for another person. So a little bit more, I'm hungry. I'm cooking pasta for 12 minutes. Occasionally stir your noodles, otherwise or noodles gonna stick together. And putting salt is helping the pasta absorb the salt inside. So how much salt you gotta put in? It should be 2% of a salinity. But I can tell you, it tastes like seawater, then it's good to go. Okay, 12 minutes gone. I'm transferring the noodle into the sauce right away. And right away, you're heating up the sauce with noodle. And here, I'm gonna grate some Grana Padano cheese. Yes. That is it. I'm just gonna plate it. Okay, here we go. I got some nicely done pasta over here. And grate some Grana Padano cheese. And I got some nicely chopped basil. I'll sprinkle around. And I got nice cute basil, oops, on the top. That's it. Okay, it's time to taste. onion, the garlic, the cheese, basil, the chili flakes. I can feel everything on my tongue. It's really good. Okay, with this basic tomato sauce, you guys can make anything you want. Bolognese, puttanesca sauce, rosé sauce, etc. Why don't you try it today? Thank you very much for watching my video today. Please like and subscribe for next videos for you. Ciao!